So here is your part 2.5 chapter is over here. Sorry, I was unaware of that timings. So this time I realized it was coming from the oak tree in my backyard. I saw the little hummingbird up on the tree. She was sitting in a red, orange and blue nest, okay? Now, which type of, which color that bubble gums were? They were in red, orange and blue. So that little bird, she made her nest from red, orange and blue bubble gum, okay? So now it's the next one page, that is page number 13. So this is your page number 13. See? Page number 13. Here it is. Look, what you helped me build, said the little hummingbird. लिटिल हमिंग बर्ड से कहते देखो आपने मुझे जब फेवर किया था, मुझे मेरी हेल्प की थी, उस हेल्प से मैंने क्या बनाया है. What do you mean? I asked. वो उससे पूछती है, what do you mean? Sorry, I didn't get you. How I helped you by giving you the bubble gum. Well, there weren't any twig or straw left over after the storm. I needed something to build a nest where I could lay my eggs. Your bubble gum helped me to build this nest. Thank you very much, said the little hummingbird. और लिटिल हमिंग बर्ड जो है वो उसका शुक्रिया अदा करती है और कहती है कि आपकी वजह से जो है मैंने अपना घोंसला बनाया है. I climbed up the oak tree and sure enough there were two little eggs the size of jelly beans laying in the nest made of bubble gum. See, this is the picture of jelly beans. I love jelly beans. Anyhow, this is the edible thing, like a type of jelly and in the shape of beans. So the girl is going to tell you that those eggs were like the jelly beans, means they were too small and the shape were like the jelly beans, okay, and they were small. So let's go back to the chapter. Okay, here it is. I told myself I am so happy I shared my bubble gum with the hummingbird. And the girl is so happy that she helped that bird, and because of her help, that bird made her nest, okay? She has been able to build her nest because of it. और उन बबल गम्स की वजह से जो है उस हमिंग बर्ड ने अपना घोंसला बनाया था. So do remember to share your things with others. Do remember to share your things with others because sharing is caring, okay? So this is all about your chapter, your unit number 1. I'll share some questions regarding this and try to create your answers. And what you have to do this time, you have to do your assignments in your notebooks, okay? I will guide you how to do or how to prepare your pages for your just imagine that you are sitting in a class and you are doing some work in your neat notebooks, okay? So I'll guide you people that how will you prepare your pages for your neat work, for your class work, okay? And kindly please cooperate with me so it will be easy for both of us to do the work combinedly, okay? क्योंकि अकेले मैं करूँगी तो उससे भी नहीं होगा, आप करोगे तो उससे भी नहीं होगा, तो हम मिलके जो है काम करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. और मैं आपको कॉपी का पैटर्न जो है वो भी बता देती हूँ. उस पर मैं एक अलग वीडियो, बल्कि मैं इसी में ही आपको बता दूंगी कि कैसे करना है और कैसे नहीं करना है. इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चंस भी शेयर कर रही हूँ. ट्राई करो कि आप उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो है वो शॉर्ट दे दो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप जो है आप लेक्चर्स उस पर नोट करें, लेकिन आप शॉर्ट आंसर्स दो, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपने आंसर्स फुल देने, ओके? लाइक ज़्यादा उसमें जो है टू द पॉइंट बात हो, लेकिन आंसर आपका पूरा हो. लाइक अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आपसे कोई पूछता है व्हाट्स योर नेम, तो आप कहते हो डायरेक्ट आप अपना नाम बताते हो. नो, you have to answer in a proper way, like my name is blah blah blah, okay? So don't laugh, it was a part of joke. So I'll share the video regarding your copy work. So wait till that and do the reading of this chapter, okay? So inshallah, not today, day after tomorrow, I think I have a class I will upload my lecture on according to your LMS timetable. So it's class 4th today and tomorrow, inshallah. Inshallah, tomorrow I will share you some questions regarding your this chapters, and you have to answer me, okay? Don't worry, I'll give you very easy questions, okay? So take care of yourself and keep enjoying yourself at your home and do your work.